While government-issued types of money are losing their sheen in the recessionary period of world economies, digital currencies are picking up speed. One of the delegated wonders among crypto resources is Ethereum, included as ETH. With decentralized finance, DeFi turning into all the rage, calculations and science-upheld digital forms of money appear to be administering the blockchain world. Outline of Ethereum, ETH, a wonder creation by Vitalik Buterin, the Ethereum blockchain is a high-level task. It is generally famous among digital money aficionados, principally because of its nodal position in the realm of cryptographic forms of money. The blockchain calculation being the middle phase of this biggest digital money. The whole peculiarity and the major center is programmability. This permits the clients to profit from a computerized cash point of view and use Ether crypto for all commercial center exchanges. The Ethereum convention empowers designers to form and work on brilliant agreements, naturally carrying out tasks under unambiguous circumstances. Ethereum 2.0, additionally called quietness, ETH 2.0 is the augmentation of the Ethereum structure with added elements to further develop usefulness in the Ethereum blockchain. It had a slow and predictable stage-wise divulging with market tests and preliminaries to see mass reception and worthiness. As a forerunner to additional upgrade and effectiveness, Ethereum 2.0 presented a sharding procedure to decrease the exchange cost and speed up, including sharding with the existing blend, will expand its asset utilization execution incredibly. Furthermore, Ethereum 2.0 started web low-level computing construct in a framework UASM that would before long supplant EVM, i.e., Ethereum Virtual Machine, permitting a decision from different dialects to compose code to run on the blockchain. Ethereum 2.0 and the union is presently at last finished. Best of all, Ethereum is presently more eco-accommodating because of the consolidation. The whole digital currency market experiences erratic cost unpredictability, pursuing the venture choice and altcoins seriously testing. In any case, according to our estimates and specialized examination, the crypto world will just see a flood in exchanging exercises and speculation altcoins. ETH digital money confronted enormous negative strain in the midst of a general market auction, and the cost fell beneath $2,500 by January 2022 and afterward due to the crypto market decline of May 2022. The cost of Ethereum has seen a precarious fall. Starting from the start of 2022, ETH has stamped monstrous unpredictability in its cost activity. Throughout the course of recent weeks, the cost of Ethereum exchanged between the scope of $2,000 and $850. Presently, the ETH cost is exchanging around $1,212. For what reason is Ethereum going down? One of the primary motivations behind why Ethereum is going down is the series of forceful loan fee climbs by the central bank to battle expansion. Financial backers ceaselessly stress over the gamble and vulnerability related with the crypto market, accordingly searching for preferred choices over the Ethereum market to put away their cash. In the earlier year, Ethereum's cost brought financial backers huge returns before the beginning of the new year. Be that as it may, in 2022, there was a huge drop in the cost for every one of the resources. According to long-haul Ethereum cost expectations, ETH is a particularly incredible resource for venture for merchants who can exploit these short and long-haul cost swings. Wallet financial backers Ethereum cost forecasts propose that the ETH token will be around $5,906.10 by 2027, while Digitalconpress shows that the symbolic will be at a limit of $3,440.95 in 2025, according to their ETH cost expectations. Simultaneously, the ETH value figure of exchanging monsters uncovers the coin will have just reached $2,055.851 by 2025 because of the negative cost history, while Longgauge uncovers that ETH cost might be $2,455 by 2026 in view of their Ethereum cost conjecture. ETH value forecast 2023. In view of the specialized examination and cost variances, Ethereum cryptographic money might exchange at a typical cost of $2,081 for 2023. While the base and greatest costs of ETH are expected to be $1,787 and $2,375. Ethereum value expectation 2024. Taking a gander at the Ethereum value expectation and specialized examination, it very well may be guessed that the greatest worth of ETH might be around $2,987. Simultaneously, the previous presentation additionally proposes that the base and normal qualities might be $2,442 and $2,715. Ethereum value forecast 2025. According to our Ethereum cost expectation for 2025, the base, normal, and greatest exchange values might be around $2,921, $3,255, and $3,589 in the crypto market. According to the Ethereum ETH Cost Forecast 2025, we expect numerous associations and reconciliations sooner rather than later of Ethereum organization. Ethereum Value Expectation 2026. Our Ethereum conjecture uncovers that the Ether's cost will exchange between $3,257 to $3,934, where the previous is the most minimal conceivable cost, while the last option is the most elevated conceivable cost for 2026. While the typical cost for the year might be $3,596. ETH Coin Value Forecast 2027. In view of the Ethereum figure, the coin might have an expected high and likely low of $4,475 and $3,851, separately. The typical Ethereum cost for the year 2027 is supposed to be around $4,163. Ethereum Crypto Value Forecast 2028. As indicated by our expectations for the year 2028, the base and greatest costs are supposed to be around $4,698 and $5,230, separately. Simultaneously, the typical exchanging cost of Ethereum might be around $4,964. Ethereum Coin Value Forecast 2029. Continuously 2029, Ethereum's cost will have seen an extraordinary ascent, expanding the market capitalization of the coin as well as its interest. In view of our Ethereum cost expectation, the coin's cost might reach as high as $6,241 in the year 2029, while it might exchange around a low of $5,313. The typical worth is supposed to be around $5,777. Ethereum Value Expectations 2030. Our ETH cost expectations 2030 demonstrated the coin may be hustling to peak. The token might have a base cost of $6,795 in the long haul, while the Ethereum cost might record a critical high of $7,650 by 2030, according to our Ethereum cost forecast. The Ethereum future looks exceptionally encouraging in light of our examination. The more, the merrier. The more the specialists' crypto appraisals and suppositions for the Ethereum cost expectations, the better. Tell us the speculation council of powerhouses for the approaching not many years. Greg Lunt tweets, number Ethereum's cost activity addresses the altcoin market all in all. With Ethereum showing such a lot of commitment, it has support from all the business crypto specialists. We presume that the Ethereum projected development will certainly arrive at outrageous highs. According to our ETH cost forecast, assuming that you exchange Ethereum at the ongoing value, you might procure great returns. Nonetheless, this doesn't comprise venture guidance in any structure. Complete your own exploration to lessen the high gamble of losing cash quickly. Will Ethereum go up in